Every great mathematical system starts with a foundation. In geometry, that foundation is definitions and postulates. But what are they, and why are they so important? Let's break it down. So, what are definitions? A definition is a precise explanation of a mathematical term. For example, a triangle is a three-sided polygon. Definitions help us communicate clearly and avoid confusion. What are postulates? A postulate, or an axiom, is a statement that is accepted as true without proof. These are the building blocks of geometry. For example, through any 2 points, there is exactly one line. We don't need to prove it, we just accept it as true. Why are they important? Definitions and postulates allow us to build logical arguments and prove theorems. Without them, geometry would be chaotic and unpredictable. Let's see one real-world example. Structural engineers use geometric postulates and definitions to ensure the stability of buildings and bridges. For example, the parallel postulate helps in designing support beams in skyscrapers, ensuring that floors remain level and evenly distributed. Now you know why definitions and postulates are the backbone of geometry. Keep them in mind as we explore more complex topics. See you in the next lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.